So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. First of all, I am sorry that I was not able to upload videos from past few months. It was because I met with an accident, so I was not able to devote time for creating videos. But now onwards, I will be regularly uploading videos. So let us continue. So in this question, a circle is given whose center is at O and there is a triangle PQR as shown in the figure. The length of PQ is 11 units, then PR is 60 units and QR is 61 units. We are asked to find the radius of this given circle. So basically we can see that there is a triangle and the circle circumscribes this triangle. So we can see that this circle is a circumcircle. Okay. We know that there is a formula. The formula is radius of circumcircle. So radius of circumcircle is equal to A, B, C divided by 4 times delta. Now what is A, B and C? These are the sides of the triangle. So let us assume A is equal to 60, B is equal to 61 and C is equal to 11. So these are the three sides of the triangle. Now what is this delta? It is area of the triangle. So area of the triangle here is PQR. So easily we can find the multiplication of A, B and C. In the denominator, the main hurdle is finding the area of triangle PQR. And do you remember Herons formula? Yes, Herons formula will be used to find the area of this triangle PQR. And the Herons formula says that area, or if a triangle is given whose three sides are given, so area, or here it will be delta, because we have taken delta as the area in this formula, will be equal to S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, and everything is in square root. Now what is S? S is semi-perimeter. That means mathematically it is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Semi-perimeter. The perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So if we calculate this, this will be 60 plus 61 plus 11 over 2. So if we solve this, we will get 132 over 2, that is 66. Now we can find S minus A. So S minus A will be 66 minus 60, that is 6 units. S minus B will be 66 minus 61, that is 5. And similarly, S minus C will be 66 minus 11, that is 55. So we have all the values, we just need to substitute it here to get the area. So the area of triangle PQR will be S, that is 66, multiplied by S minus A, that is 6, multiplied by S minus B, that is 5, multiplied by S minus C, that is 55, and everything is in square root. Now if we solve this, no need to use calculator. In fact, see, 66 can be written as 6 times 11. Already 6 is here, then 5 is also here, then 55 can be written as 5 times 11. So we see that there are pairs of 6, 11 and 5. So 6 will be outside, 11 will be outside and 5 will be outside. 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 11 is have found the area of this triangle PQR as 330 square units. Now the next task is to simply substitute the values here and get the value of radius of this circumcircle. So what is A? It is 60, then times B is 61 and C is 11 divided by 4 times the area, that is 330. So this 0 gets cancelled. Then we can further simplify this. We can divide by 3. This will be 11 and 3 times 2 is 6 and 11 and 11 gets cancelled. This will be 2 times 61 over 4, that is 30.5. So the radius of this circumcircle will be 30.5 units. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.